In this video, we're going to look at product recall insurance for health supplements, vitamins, and other nutraceutical products. And to begin with, it's important to understand the difference between product recall insurance and product liability insurance, since they are two different things, but both critically important for manufacturers and distributors of supplements and other nutraceuticals. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners. In this video, we're going to talk about product recall insurance. If this doesn't answer the questions you may have on this topic, I'd love to hear from you. As an expert insurance broker, I'm here to help give you the information you need to be a more informed insurance buyer. Okay, so what is product recall insurance? Product recall insurance is a specialized form of coverage that protects a business from the cost of recalling a potentially hazardous or dangerous product from the marketplace. It covers the costs such as notifying customers, placing ads on TV, newspaper, and online, telling consumers of the potential dangers and how to return the product. From there, the cost of shipping defective products to a facility to have them destroyed and disposed of, plus the overtime costs of employees involved in this work. That's what most basic recall policies cover. But policies can be broadened to include crisis management, PR, lost profits, refunds, replacement offers, brand rehab expenses, and more. How does product recall differ from product liability insurance? Product liability insurance, which is part of a manufacturer or distributor's general liability policy, responds to claims of bodily injury or property damage. Typically, if a customer ingests your product and they become ill, or worse, they die, they or their heirs will file a lawsuit against your company for damages, and product liability insurance will pay the defense costs and ultimately the settlement. But it will not pay to remove that product from the marketplace if it's found to be dangerous. Now you may be thinking, that's stupid. Why wouldn't the insurance company pay for a recall rather than facing more claims and big claims? It's a good question, and the answer is because product liability is built just to respond to claims for bodily injury or property damage, and it's not designed or priced to pay for a recall. On top of that, your general liability policy has an aggregate limit of liability built into it, which caps the maximum your insurance company is going to pay in any one policy year, usually $2 million. So if you don't recall a dangerous product, you may be on the hook for claims in excess of that aggregate. What does product recall insurance cost? That's going to depend on the type of product, the breadth of your distribution, but recall costs can be extreme. There's no specific data on nutraceutical companies, but in the food business, the average cost of a food recall is about $10 million. Supplements, vitamins, and nutraceutical companies tend to be smaller with a smaller distribution footprint, so it's likely nowhere near as large as $10 million, but even if it's 10 or 20% of that, like $1 million or $2 million, is that an expense you can afford out of pocket? The next question is what triggers a recall policy? The trigger, or what kicks a policy into effect, is typically the discovery that your product is adulterated, and consumption of it would result in bodily injury. Adulterated means the accidental or unintended contamination of a product, mislabeling, or the malicious tampering with your product. Most policies do not require a government regulatory agency to mandate a recall, but if that does happen, the policy will respond. Finally, let's talk about how you get product recall insurance for your company. This is a unique coverage form, so in my opinion, it's a policy that needs to be customized and tailored to each buyer's unique needs. That means you need an expert and skilled broker, like the Coyle Group, to help guide you through the process. Buying a policy online without an expert is likely going to result in getting a policy that doesn't fit your specific needs. If you're looking to insure product recall or product liability for a vitamin, supplement, or nutraceutical company, why not give me a call? My contact info is in the description box below, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this informative and helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.